Hello guys, my name is Remy and I welcome you to my channel again where you get to learn how to code and so basic requests such as yoga, stretches, to the run neck and many more. So today we're going to be learning how to customize a t-shirt from the comfort of your home. This is a DTF printing. When you get your image, you take them out to people that do it or all these graphic designers and all of that. They'll be the one to make you this kind of DTF that you can easily bring to the house and transfer it on your t-shirt. It's called direct transfer film. That is DTF. So now getting this, I'm going to be dropping a tutorial on how you can achieve this kind of design. But I actually got this from someone's status and I love it. So I decided to save it. I just send it to the person, the graphic designers, and they just printed it out for me like this. So and that's all. And if you have a particular design in mind, you can use Canva to make it. You can go to Google to download images. So after getting your designs, it is left for you where you want to put it. It might be at the back, at the side, at this, but I want it at the center. That's why you see me taking that measurement. So those measurements is actually up to you. It depends on wherever you want to place it. You see some design at the upper part, some will be at the lower part, one side, one corner, at the back, and all of that. So the measurement to make sure that the design is sitting perfectly at the right place that you want it to be is left to you. So I want it to be at the center. I have to take the two sides to see that the two sides here to see that they're the same thing. One side is not, you know, wider than the other. So after doing that, you start using your pressing iron. But make sure you had pressed, I had already pressed the surface where I will put in it. The surface is not supposed to be rough. I mean, the t-shirt itself I had already ironed it in the before putting the design. So you start ironing the design, you start pressing. You can see the way I'm doing it as seen in the video. So by the time you start pressing it, you will experience a kind of free and slippery move because the nylon is slippery rather. So by the time you're experiencing that, you get to a particular stage where your iron will not be slippery again. You start experiencing a kind of friction. It will not move freely again. Do you understand? And make sure you are eating, like you put energy. Take iron this thing, sure you get, you can see I'm putting energy. So by the time I started experiencing that friction, I needed to check if my design is on my t-shirt. But right now it's not all is on it. Do you understand? So I decided to press it for another few seconds again. You can see me doing that. I was still pressing here, but I was already experiencing that stuff, the friction so much. So when you start experiencing that friction, stop ironing, because if you continue ironing and the design is already on your t-shirt, if care is not taken, the design will melt. So you need to stop and check. And after I stop checking, you can see the design is sitting perfectly right now on my t-shirt. So and that is it. So this is how you experience you customize your t-shirt from the comfort of your home with your pressing iron, in case you do not have um a heat press iron, because it is quite expensive for a beginner. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in another video. Bye.